Hi everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. Let's take a look at TensorFlow today. Oh wow, almost 100% of PRs are done by the community and 0% of activity comes from the core team. That's incredible. That means the team has literally taken a step back and let this project be very community driven. And that's the most extreme that I've seen out of all the projects that I've taken a look at. Looking at bot activity, about 3% of activity are done by bots. So even though there is this project is still very human centric in terms of their work. Oh yeah. And okay, this is interesting. So review merge coverage shows 5% of PRs get formal reviews before merging. But I do know for a fact that TensorFlow uses their own internal capybara system. So every PR goes through an extensive review process. And after many back and forths and a bunch of tests that have been completed, they then copy the code into an internal code base for more testing before actually merging, both internally and externally. So I believe maybe this 5% is actually the ones that went through that default GitHub review process. That might not be what TensorFlow usually does. Oh yeah, okay, cool. So 100%, basically all the PRs out of the 100 get their first review within 1 day. That's pretty impressive responsiveness and very, very helpful. And if you look here, 75% of PRs take about 4 to 5 days from the creation to the merge. Makes sense. I mean, given all of that internal validation happening behind the scenes. So overall, very cool stats. This is a project that is not very similar to the other ones we've taken a look at, but it just goes to show if you have massive community participation, you do need to have an extensive internal testing regime set up so that you do have that ability to keep the project alive. But that's it for this week. Let me know if there's any other projects you'd like me to take a look at, and see you next Friday.